Hello together, welcome back to Rafael Cooking Style. So I'm sure you are thinking this is a regular plums and bacon snack, but it isn't. This time I bring you the variation of this snack with bananas. As you may see, I cut bananas, I got slice of bacon, I'm rubbing it, and then to the back oven, then some barbecue sauce on top, and then another time to the oven, and we have a very yummy snack. So you all start with peeling off your bananas, just very the easy way. You notice this is not very ripe bananas because they would be much more sweeter, the ripe bananas, but with the combination will be nicer. But to wrap them and to peel them will be, I think this is much more comfortable to work with. So just like that, we got our bananas. Now we're gonna cut it in. It depends on your bacon as well. You can cut it quite small or a little bit larger. I'm using around 1.5 to 2 centimeters for the snacks this time. Yeah. So let's speed this up. And now, just like that, we are gonna place our bacon like this. I'm using 1 bacon for each of the snacks. I'm cutting it into the half. Yeah, just like that, very easy. 1 piece, you wrap it. And then just on the side we don't have bacon, then we place it to the opposite side on the next slice of bacon. And just like that, we're gonna wrap it. You see, now this is, yeah, now just hold the bacon together with banana, and we're just gonna repeat the procedure with all of this. You see, very easy. I hope you like it. If you like it so far the video, just leave your like behind the video please, and subscribe to the channel of course. So now let's go to the next step. Now you see we got our oven tray here full of our snacks. We want to place it on the preheated oven, 185. It will take around 20 minutes. And then we got these ones. Just a little bit crunchy. You can leave it a little bit more in the oven if you want to. But after that, I have my homemade barbecue sauce. Of course, you can do any barbecue sauce from the grocery store, the one you like, spicy or not spicy. This one is a regular non-spicy one. I'm just gonna put our snacks into the sauce and just back to the tray. And after I finish this up, I will place it on the on the oven again for around 10 more minutes until it gets melted and all together, and then we got our snacks. So I'm gonna show you next. This is the results of it. Look, this is everything just before going to the oven, and now when they are final out to the oven and cool down a little bit. So I hope you like it, and I wish you a nice journey. Take care everyone. Cheers.